Hey guys, Wubs EA is here. It's a very cold morning, and basically it got down to the negatives last night. So today we are going to do an extreme cold startup of my 07 Dodge Charger. So here we go. Okay, let's just get situated. It snowed a lot here, as you can tell. Anyways, cold morning, cold start. Listen to this. Nice. See how the exhaust is doing? I mean, yeah, you can tell that this is probably some of the best snow I've ever seen. This is the most impressive snow I've ever seen. Look at that. Wow. Listen to that motor. It's very loud because, like I said, it's very cold. Hey, look, a snowball. Yeet! Anywho, thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys very soon. Goodbye.